Hello tool lovers, welcome back to the channel. Don't skip this video because today we're revealing 20 amazing woodworking gadgets that make DIY projects easy. From smart cutting tools to powerful workshop inventions, these gadgets can save time, improve accuracy, and upgrade your woodworking skills. Whether you're a beginner or a pro carpenter, these tools are guaranteed to impress. Let's jump in and discover the must-have woodworking gadgets everyone is talking about. Roller stand, the trend. Roller stand is a smart workshop accessory built to support long timber during cutting, ripping, or planing tasks. Its adjustable height system and smooth ball-bearing roller help materials glide effortlessly while keeping boards level and stable. With a heavy-duty steel frame supporting up to 62 kilograms, it's perfect for miter saws, table saws, and planers. Lightweight yet durable, this compact stand improves safety, reduces material tipping, and acts like an extra pair of hands for solo woodworking projects and busy workshop environments. Mobile base. The BORA mobile base is a smart workshop upgrade that turns heavy stationary machines into easily movable tools. Built with rugged steel frames and smooth rolling casters, these bases support everything from compact planers to massive cabinet saws. The foot lever system locks machines firmly in place for safe operation, then lifts them effortlessly for mobility. Models like the PM2500 and PM3550 offer adjustable sizing, industrial strength, and even omnidirectional movement, making them perfect for crowded workshops and professional woodworking environments.
ThinRip Guide. The Woodpeckers. ThinRip Guide TRG from Woodpeckers is a precision table saw accessory built for safe, repeatable, thin strip cutting. Its off-cut side stop prevents dangerous binding, while a dual bearing system ensures smooth, accurate guidance. Capable of cutting strips from ultra-thin sizes up to 1 1/4 inches, it features laser-engraved scales for quick setup. Crafted from anodized aluminum, it offers durability, stability, and universal compatibility with standard miter slots for professional woodworking tasks. "90-degree corner" clamp. The CNQLIS stainless steel 90-degree corner clamp is a high-quality tool designed to hold materials at a precise 90-degree angle, ideal for woodworking, welding, and DIY projects. Made from durable stainless steel, it resists rust and ensures long-lasting use. The adjustable swivel jaw accommodates different material thicknesses, while the ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue. Suitable for various projects, from framing and furniture assembly to picture frames and fish tanks. The clamp comes in open and closed styles, includes fixing holes for bench mounting, and is compact and lightweight for easy handling. Duo-sided vacuum pad. The Virutex Duo-sided vacuum pad SVN 250-. DUO is a powerful pneumatic clamping solution that holds workpieces securely without traditional clamps. Featuring suction on both sides, it locks onto the workbench and the material at the same time, even vertically. Designed for smooth, non-porous surfaces, it provides strong, mark-free fixation ideal for finished pieces. With customizable suction zones, expandable setup options, and professional-grade holding force, it's perfect for precision trimming, banding, and detailed woodworking tasks. Shelf Pin Jig. The RUITOOL Shelf Pin Jig is a rugged, all-metal solution for drilling perfectly spaced shelf pin holes and installing 35mm concealed hinges. Made from high-strength aluminum, it features built-in clamping for fast, accurate setup without extra tools. Dual 1/4 inch and 5mm bushings support metric and imperial pins, while adjustable setbacks, depth control, and an alignment pin ensure consistent results. Drill up to 11 holes per pass for maximum efficiency. Platinum 3007 in one saw. The ROTORAZER Platinum. 3007 in one saw is a compact powerhouse built to handle almost any cutting job with one tool. Its 500-watt motor spins at 4,500 RPM, slicing cleanly through wood, metal, tile, plastic, and more. Designed to replace multiple saws, it cuts straight, curved, vertical, or upside down with ease. Adjustable depth control, enhanced safety features, and a dust extraction system make it ideal for fast, clean, and precise DIY or renovation projects. Stair Tread Template Tool. The SUNLFPROD. Stair Tread Template Tool is a precision, adjustable gauge built from aviation-grade aluminum for fast, accurate stair layouts. Its extendable sliders adapt to a wide range of tread widths, while pivoting arms lock in exact angles for perfect transfers. Laser-etched metric and imperial scales ensure accuracy, and the damping washer system holds shape securely. Ideal for stairs, shelves, flooring, and trim work. It saves time, reduces waste, and delivers consistent professional results. Micro-Square. The Woodpeckers. Micro-Square is a compact, ultra-precise layout tool built for tight spaces and fine joinery where standard squares fall short. Small enough for a pocket yet machined to professional tolerances, it excels at dovetails, mortises, and detailed setups. With interchangeable stainless steel blades, a durable brass knob, and lifetime guaranteed accuracy, it delivers big performance in a tiny shop-ready package, proudly made in the USA. Measurer Gam, Duhaka, Gatos Ugbente. The Bosch Angle. Measurer GAM220 is a professional digital angle finder built for speed, accuracy, and durability on demanding job sites. It delivers precise angle calculations up to 220 degrees with plus or minus 0.1 degree accuracy, features a locking screw for reliable transfer, and an illuminated rotating display for clear visibility. With memory and hold functions, integrated leveling vials, leg extension, and rugged IP54 housing, it's ideal for construction and woodworking professionals. ShelfJig. The Milescraft 1343. ShelfJig is a precise, durable drilling template for professional quality shelf pin holes with standard 32mm spacing in cabinets, closets, and bookshelves. Its clear polycarbonate body ensures full visibility for accurate layout, while 7 hardened steel bushings guide straight, consistent holes. Dual diameters support 1/4 inch and 5mm pins. Features include repositionable fences for 37mm or 64mm setbacks, indexing pins for continuous rows, centering notches for alignment, a depth stop for consistent drilling, and integrated storage. The kit includes all drill bits, pins, hex key, and fence for ready-to-use convenience. Folding saddle squares. The Woodpeckers. Folding saddle squares are precision layout tools with a hinge design that wraps around corners, allowing accurate transfer of lines from one face to an adjacent face in a single motion. Their adjustable hinge supports multiple angles, ideal for tenons, cross dowels, and angled joints. Milled from solid aluminum, anodized, and engraved for high accuracy, they offer durable, long-lasting performance. Available in mini and full sizes, they simplify complex layouts, reducing markings by half. Made in the USA, these tools deliver unmatched precision for woodworkers. Premium router, table packages. The Woodpeckers. Premium router table packages deliver a complete professional-grade routing station built for accuracy and stability. Each package includes a precision flat tabletop, SF-PRO micro-adjustable fence, smooth above the table router lift, heavy-duty adjustable steel stand, and integrated dust collection. With embedded T-tracks, offset fence faces, and mobility options, these all-in-one systems provide repeatable precision, clean operation, and rock-solid performance for serious woodworking projects. Woodworking Edge Trimmer. The Inralimot. Woodworking Edge Trimmer is a compact hand-powered tool built for clean, precise edge finishing. Its sharp high-carbon steel blade easily deburrs and trims edge banding, while the durable Bakelite handle offers a comfortable, non-slip grip. The safe V-shaped design prevents board damage and reduces hand strain. Lightweight and portable, it works smoothly on straight or curved edges and handles P, VC, ABS, laminate, melamine, and wood veneer with ease. Wood filler, wood putty. BONCART. Wood filler and putty is a water-based, easy-to-use solution for repairing nail holes, cracks, dents, and surface damage on wood. Its smooth, low viscosity texture applies effortlessly and sands clean once dry. Made from non-toxic formaldehyde-free materials, it's safe for indoor use. The filler offers strong adhesion, durable results, and can be painted or stained to blend seamlessly. Ideal for furniture, cabinets, doors, floors, and DIY wood projects. Spline Jig. The TOOLCOOL Spline Jig is a precision right-angle fixture made from CNC machined aluminum alloy, designed to reinforce miter joints by cutting accurate spline slots on a table saw or router table. Its dual machine compatibility and adjustable corner clamp, 5mm to 42mm, suit projects from small boxes to picture frames. The low-profile design enhances stability, while the safety-conscious structure keeps fingers clear of blades. Built for durability with an anodized finish, it includes an Allen wrench and hex bit for easy manual or drill-assisted operation, ensuring strong, precise, and lasting joinery. Carpenter Square. The SUNLFPROD. Carpenter Square is a compact multifunctional aluminum alloy tool designed for precision in small-scale woodworking. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum with an anodized finish, it offers durability, rust resistance, and long-lasting performance. Its pocket-sized design makes it ideal for tight spaces. Features include a removable flip stop for repeatable lines, precision scribing holes for accurate marking, multi-angle degree measurements, integrated setup blocks for saw and router adjustments, center finding capability, and clear laser-etched imperial and metric scales. Perfect for layout, squareness checks, and general woodworking tasks. Handheld Profile Scraper. The Virutex 28000200 Portable Handheld Profile Scraper RP28 is a precision manual tool designed for professional edge finishing. It trims excess edge banding, removes glue residue, and smooths burrs with a high-strength steel blade capable of cutting straight or radiused edges up to 1.5 millimeters thick. Built from durable alloy steel, it features an ergonomic handle for comfort, a stable guide for accurate trimming, and a lightweight 140 grams. Designed for easy handling, the interchangeable blade ensures long-lasting performance, making it an essential tool for fine woodworking. Dowel maker and tenon cutters. The O School. Dowel maker and tenon cutters is a drill-powered woodworking tool designed to craft precise dowels and tenons from square stock. Featuring dual carbon steel cutter heads, 8mm and 10mm, with sharpenable blades. It works on both softwoods and hardwoods. An integrated guide bracket ensures straight feeding, while a heat-resistant base and secure mounting add safety and stability. Compatible with standard electric drills, it offers a cost-effective solution for creating custom joinery, reducing waste, and eliminating the need for pre-made dowels. Perfect for versatile, on-demand woodworking.